Hi, I'm Vincenzo Villamena CPA and founder of Online Taxman. Today, let's talk about Social Security self-employment tax as an expat. The first thing to know is if you are an expat, even though you qualify for the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion, you might still have to pay self-employment or Social Security tax. This largely depends on where you live. The US has totalization agreements with several countries around the world. A totalization agreement essentially is similar to a tax treaty, but it's for Social Security and Medicare. And so if you're living in a country where there is a totalization agreement with the United States, then you might actually be paying into that local Social Security and Medicare, and then you would not be responsible for paying into the US Social Security or self-employment equivalent. If you're self-employed and you want to get out of paying self-employment tax under the totalization agreement, then you have to apply for a certificate of coverage. That means you have to go to the local Social Security office, apply and obtain the certificate of coverage in order to show the IRS that you're not eligible to pay into self-employment. Totalization agreements are completely different than tax treaties. So even if you live in a country with a tax treaty with the United States, that doesn't necessarily mean that there's a totalization agreement. The US has totalization agreements with many European countries such as the UK, Canada, Spain, Portugal, Italy, Denmark, and even some South American countries like Chile and Brazil. Totalization agreements essentially do determine whether you should be paying into the US for Social Security or that local country, depending on the amount of time that you've been living in the local country, as well as where the source of the income is coming from. So if you have any questions on this subject, feel free to reach out to us at onlinetaxman.com. We'd be happy to help you. And subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more tax topics such as this. We have ongoing content coming out weekly. Thank you.